Okay, so actually this is I didn't mention the model, but this is the model. It's the Dibea H008. It's cordless, so it's really very useful and makes my life so much easier. I previously had another one that also I can remove so that I can do like small spaces and also like the floors and all that, but that one is like with the wire, so it's really very annoying. So this makes my life so much easier. It's something similar to the Dyson, if I'm not wrong. That's what I've seen online. So it's what came with this. This is the one I usually use for like small spaces and all that, like if you want to vacuum any like tabletops or anything, something like that. And this one, not sure, I've not used this yet. Yeah, so these two came with it, and also this, which I think is the stand. Like you can make it like you can make it, I think you can like mount this or something, and then you can make it like make your this device like, you know, stay in place, like hold it and like a holder or something like that. Yeah, so the only thing I really love this like 99%. Like it's really very nice and it's really very helpful to me. But the only thing I don't like is this thing that is like very movable. Like it's so flexible that is really annoying, because to me it's like I always use those that is like fixed, so I can easily do like straight. So when I'm doing this, then it sometimes move it the other way. Yeah, so that's the only annoying part. But yeah, other than that, this is really very good to me. Like I really love it. So this is what's underneath. You can see it's already very dirty with all of Bailey's hair. So yeah, I have to go and clean this. But other than that, it's actually a really very good buy, because the Dyson is actually super expensive, and to me, I just want something that can get the job done. It doesn't matter about the brand and all that. So if you are like me and don't care about the brand, then I think this is really good enough. I know there are different models with this, but I think this is one of the latest one. I think there's another one that came after this, but I'm not sure. I bought this at a sale in Q10, which is around 100 something. I'm not sure. I will check the price and then put it so that you can see. But if you want to go and search, I'm not sure if there's other sales, you can actually take a look at this model or the other models that come with this. I'm not sure about the other models, but this is the one of the latest one. If I'm not wrong, it's a 2018 model, but I'm not sure. I will check again and put it up. So yeah, this is the Dibea H008, and then this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and it's really a very good buy for me. Like if you want to see the battery, right, if I'm not wrong, this is the battery. So now there's 2 bars. Normally there's 3 bars, so I just charged it, and I think I charged it for a few hours, so it was full, but now it's like already at 2 bars. And I'm not sure how the battery life is, but I mean, you can of course charge it and use it because it's cordless to me, so I don't mind waiting for it to charge and all that. So yeah, I can just do it every day. Like it's very simple. But if I'm not wrong, the Dyson one it's quiet. If I'm not wrong, I'm not sure. I've not really compared these two, but the only thing I know that it's similar. This is similar to the Dyson, and that is already like 600 or 700, or I think there is something that's below, like the earlier models, maybe it's cheaper. But this is really good enough, and I really like it that it comes in pink. I mean, there's another one that's in yellow, but I think that's the earlier model. So yeah, this is what I got recently, and I really love it. Like it really makes my life so much easier, especially with this boy here who actually makes my house dirty without even knowing it. And my floors are white, so you cannot see his fur, and he's white, so I mean it's a good thing. But you see now you can't see any hair anymore, and if you have his fur you can't see it. So it actually does a really good job. So actually I thought my house would be clean because I have no kids, but I have this kid who actually makes it dirty. So yeah, if you have a kit like this, then you should invest in this. This is a lifesaver for me. I mean, of course, if you have the budget to spend to get the Dyson one, and I think that is silent, so silence is a good thing. Like you can do it silently. This one is still has a sound, but of course it's still manageable to me lah. I don't do it at night, so yeah. Or I don't have a baby to watch out for all these things, so to me this one is still fine. If your kids are bigger or something, I mean, of course you can get this. It's really simple and easy, and it's not really heavy. It's just okay. The only thing I will say is a con to me is this thing that is so flexible. Even I'm not that flexible, so this thing is quite annoying. When I'm trying to do it, it goes the other ways. But other than that, I think you just need to control it more. I'm not sure if you can actually, I'm not sure what is this for, but I'm not sure if you can like make it stay. But yeah, that I have yet to test it to its full extent. But yeah, this is the charging base, the one that came with it, and the charger. Yeah, the handle switch, the suction switch. Yeah, all this. So this is the locker. Okay, yeah, so that's about it for this model. If you want to know more, I mean, you can go and review, see other reviews and those people who actually bought this same model or the similar models from this brand, because I think this is a good brand also. So this is the dirt that came out of all the vacuuming. It doesn't look that much because I did some already yesterday, so it's just the leftover. But you see, it's very good actually. I really love this. It's like a really good buy to me because I'm not sure how different is the Dyson one, but this looks similar to the Dyson and it actually does the job for me. I'm not sure if there's other functions or not, but mainly I'm just using to vacuum. And then you can take off this head. Oh, I just scratched it just now, damn it. Okay, so you can actually like remove it, and it's quite easy actually. So you just press this and it will come off. I can't do this with both hands. Okay, hold on. You just push this and you pull, it will actually come off, but let me try. So you just push this and it came off already. So there's actually like a few heads that come with this. I think 2 other heads. And then there is the function from what I've been using.